Wix Bookings tutorial, how to set up bookings on Wix website step by step. Hi there, you guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can maneuver around Wix Bookings. Wix Bookings is a new feature that is important for when you are offering any type of services online. And if you want to integrate that in your existing websites as well, then you can start to gain bookings from other people who are willing to pay for your services right from your Wix website. And it's really easy to do. There are two ways to do that. First way is, of course, to when you are creating a new site, then you want to add in the booking feature right away. And the second way is to add in the booking feature right on an existing website. Now, first, let's try and do the first way. Okay, so first step is, of course, to think of what kind of website are you going to do. Now, for example, you're a creative who offers your services to different people. So what if you make a portfolio of your work? So for example, creative portfolio. Now let's hit on next. And what will happen is that it'll show us different templates that we can work with. But before that, you'll have to tick on what you want to add in your site. So you want chat, chat with site visitors from desktop or mobile. And what else? Online store, forms. I think forms is going to be helpful. And of course, video. Are you going to share videos on your site? Of course, because you're creating a creative portfolio, right? And there are more stuff that you can add in, like bookings. This is the exactly the first step, you guys. You want to tick on booking right there. And once it'll load up the site, it will automatically show this added into your website page. Now let's hit on next. And you'll see later on that there is an extra page that is dedicated for the booking page. Let's edit a template and let's see how it's going to look like. All right. Now let's choose from this templates right here. Which one do you think is or looks the most appealing? I personally like to go with minimal design, so I'm going to go with I think I'm going to go with the first one because it looks just fine for me. All right, it's going to do some back end, front end, and back end coding. That's why it's taking a lot of time to load up. I want you guys to be patient on this part because that's what you're trying to avoid. So instead of you doing the coding yourself, Wix is taking its time to fix that for you. But we're waiting. Let's try and explore the second way right here. Okay, second way is to edit an existing website, right? Now, hit select and edit site. This one's still loading. Let me just reload it. All right, we'll get back to this later on. Now, going back to what we're trying to edit, you can now see here that it's a lot faster to, that it's a lot faster to load up because it's not creating a website from scratch. It's just going to edit the site that you've already started creating. Okay. All right, so wow, these sites are taking a while to load up, you guys, but I checked my speed a while ago and it's working just fine. All right, there you go. This is the first way. We just ticked on the the booking option when we started to create this site. So we expect to see a page here which has bookings. And we can see it here right away while it's loading. All right, let's wait for it a while, you guys. 4 out of 5. Okay, wow, can't do much here. If you have like a tad slow internet connection, it's gonna be really hard to work with multiple sites at once. All right, this one loaded up first. So this is the editing method. So what I wanted you to do is to click on add apps right here and search on bookings, Wix bookings. Okay, let's search apps from this tab, Wix bookings. You can see here the second one. So click it. And then you're gonna have to pay $17 a month, but I think we're still under the free trial. So once you're done searching for the app, click on add to site, and it'll open this pop-up window where I know maybe like it's I don't know what it does, but yeah, essentially you already added Wix bookings tab on your page, and you can now edit your bookings, personalize it the way you want to. Wow, it's taking its sweet time, you guys. All right, but those are the two ways, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and just close this one right here because it's slowing down my internet, and I don't think it's going anywhere further anyway. So I'm gonna stick with this one. Now that we've added Wix bookings, we can see here Bookings Manager, add bookings element, and learn more. And a new page is also added. Our services page. This is where you add in the different types of services that you offer. So you can categorize your services into maybe 1, 2, or 3. Of course, 3. And then under those categories, you're going to want to offer more specific types of services for a price. Now, what you want to do to edit this is to hit settings. And this is what it's going to do. You know, you can change how visitors scroll to the header, but we want to edit the booking page, right? You can do that by clicking manage services here. So for you to personalize the booking, hit on manage services, and that's where you input the information of the services that you're going to offer, how much it's going to be, and yeah, this page you'll choose if it's going to be one-on-one or multiple participants. It can be multiple participants, right? So how do you offer your service? Is it by class or course? So is this going to be a studio classes, group tools, yoga workshop, Spanish for beginners? Okay, I think it's going to be a course. And so on and so on. So this is where you input the name of your service. Now service subtitle, and there's an option to add in an image as well. It helps if you build a thumbnail that looks really appealing, you know. And service details, capacity, amount of the service, the business address, and video conferencing. What else? You can add sessions to get booked, and additional settings such as setting up payment preferences, customizing your booking form, and more. So accept online bookings. You can customize this by hitting this button. You can allow clients to book online or not. Just toggle that button on and off. Booking after start date, you can toggle this on and off if you want to. Payment preferences, you can customize this as well. So you can choose from entire amount in person, entire amount online, entire amount either online or in person, or online deposit and rest in person. You can save it by hitting this button or cancel if you haven't made any changes at all. So group booking preferences, 1 participant per booking. You can also edit this. And booking form, you can also edit the form here. And basically that's how you set up Wix booking on your site. 2 ways, you guys, for when you're just starting a website and for when you already created a website and you just wanted to add in the booking feature on your website. So let me know what you think down in the comments below, you guys. But if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do. It helps us a lot. But I will see you again in the next video. Peace out.